Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create a game pass in Please Donate. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the Roblox homepage right here. Now once you're here, you're going to click Create, which is one of the top 4 options on the Roblox page. Once you click on Create, it's going to bring you to createroblox.com. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Dashboard. Once you click on Dashboard, it's going to bring you this page here. And you want to go ahead and find your username's place. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and it will bring you to this page. Right here on this page on the sidebar, there should be a bunch of options. So you want to scroll down and look for the option for monetization. And in the monetization options, there should be an option for passes. Once you find that, go ahead and click on it. It'll bring to this page here. Here you just have to click Create a Pass, and they'll bring you to this page to create a pass. And you can name it whatever you want. And then you can put a description if you want, and you can change the photo for it as well. But once you're done doing all that, you can just go ahead and click Create Pass. It'll load for a bit, and it'll bring you this page here. Once you're on this page, you still have to put the pass on sale. So go ahead and click on the pass. It'll bring you to this page right here. And once you click on the pass, on the side there should be 3 options. And one of them should be sales. So go ahead and find it and click on it. It brings you this page. Here you just have to turn the item on for sale and put in the price in Robux. So you can choose whatever price you want. But keep in mind that Roblox takes 30%. So if I put in 150, it would be 105 Robux. But once you do that, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. After that, go to Roblox and open up Please Donate. It'll have updated the pass successfully. If I go ahead and claim the stand, then that pass will actually show up right there for 150 Robux. So that's basically how you can create a game pass in Please Donate. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.